Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video on my channel. In today's video, we're going to take a look at this new collection by Bemi Beauty Box called the Beloved Collection. And this is a fall collection, and it's kind of a continuation in numbers, if you will, a continuation from the Amber collection. So there's 6 new colors. I'm going to swatch them, do some color comparisons as always, and I'm even going to do a tiny little easy art tutorial at the end of this video. So if this interests you, just keep on watching. Okay, and the first color is F07, and this is a gorgeous navy blue. It's got a gray undertone to it, but very, very pigmented. I only needed to do 1 coat with this color. And again, just as a reminder that these creamy gel polishes are tackless. That doesn't mean tack-free, but they are tackless. These are great for art, great for full coverage, colored nails, and this is a gorgeous fall navy blue. And this is a color that you could use in the wintertime as well. Stick some silver snowflakes on this color and wow, great for winter nails. And for the matte top coat, I am using the Bemi Ultra Matte, which is I carry it for 2 minutes in my UV LED lamp. And the gel polishes I am carrying for 60 seconds. So let's see if I have any colors that are comparable. I did want to mention that, remember the Amber collection, that review I did, that was numbered F1 to 6. So this is a continuation of that, being F7 to 12, just for reference that it is a fall collection. And the next color is F08, and F08 is a gorgeous fall color, a dusty rose, but I would say this is more of a pinky taupe, so a dusty taupe. Pinky taupe. Yeah, dusty pinky taupe is what I would call this one. And great coverage, 1 thin layer, and I did get a very opaque coverage. And I just can't get over how amazing that these colors apply. When a client reaches for one of these colors, I get very excited because these are so easy to work with. This is a great color that I think matches any skin tone, so a lighter skin tone all the way to a darker skin tone. I think that this color does look quite amazing on. I do think that if you have a lighter skin tone, it amplifies the pink in this color a little bit more, but looks just as stunning on a darker skin tone as well. So let's see what kind of colors I have that are comparable. The next color is F09, and F09 is I'm gonna say a plum or a deep maroon. It's got some purple brown hues to this color. I thought at first it was going to be like a deep burgundy, and I think just the way the light hits it, depending on your skin tone, you're gonna kind of get a different look with this color, and I find that very unique, and I like those kind of colors. So this is 1 coat. You do not need 2 layers with this color, and it looks great on a lighter skin tone. This is also a great color if you want to do snowflakes or some swirls with snowflakes using this color. That'd be great for Christmas nails or winter nails if you don't want to do the traditional red and green. I also think that this is a perfect fall color. I love those deep, rich tones for fall, and I find that my clients, and even myself included, I gravitate towards these colors in the fall. So I think this is a perfect color for this collection. Next color is F10, and F10 is what I would call a sage green, a light sage green, or even a moss green. Very light fall color. It's got a yellow undertone to it, but even a gray undertone. And what I'm finding with this collection is that all these colors have an earthy undertone to them, so kind of a muted gray muted undertone to it. Now with this color, I did find that I had to put 2 thin layers on the swatch stick to get an opaque look. However, that could have been because I didn't mix the color at all. I just sort of took the brush out of the bottle and I didn't do a shake or a mix with the brush. So it doesn't mean that it's not pigmented. It just means that I did have to do 2 layers. Then I got a full opaque coverage. Okay, look at this color matte. This is stunning. It's like velvet matte lusciousness. This is such a pretty color matte, and this one just screams fall to me. Okay, let's see if I have anything comparable to this color. The next color is F11, and F11 is a deep green, and I would call this a forest green, like an evergreen green, and I am putting this on quite thinly on the swatch stick because I wanted to show you that it does have a yellow undertone to it, but when you put a little bit more on your brush, not too much because these are pigmented and you don't want it to wrinkle in the light, so thin layers. Do this one in 2 layers if you want, but I found that 1 layer was suffice and you got a very opaque coverage. This one is just absolutely stunning, a color that you can use in the fall and at Christmas time as well. And this color matte is so luxurious looking. Great. I could just see some gold swirls with this color. Even matte I think would look so stunning. Also some gold Swarovski crystals with this color would, oh gosh, gorgeous. This is such a beautiful color, and I think gold just goes so nicely with this, especially for the holiday season. So let's see what kind of colors I have comparable. Okay, and the last color is F12, and F12 is a deep chocolate brown. And this color surprised me when I put it on thinly. It has a gray undertone to it. So it kind of is almost like that charcoal black, but a charcoal brown, if there's even a thing. And this one is super pigmented. So again, thin layers to get an opaque coverage. You don't want it to wrinkle. If you put it on too thick, it could wrinkle. And another color great for fall, and it looks great on a pale skin tone as well as darker skin tones, as you can see here, and the matte is just, of course, stunning. I'm seeing, I don't know, I must have gold on the brain, but I could see some gold snowflakes with this color, or even gold foil, rose gold, just to spice it up a little bit. And yeah, a great fall color, and a color that you can even wear in the wintertime. Okay, let's see what I have that might be comparable. So before we go on with the mini art tutorial, I wanted to show you all 6 colors in one shot here. You can see the earthy tones to this collection. It is so beautiful, and I love the fact that there's a blue and a sage green that kind of breaks this collection up a little bit from the red or pinky browns, and that gorgeous forest green color. I absolutely love this collection. I love how it applies. It's so easy to work with, and I love the earthiness or the mutedness of this collection. Okay, let's move on to the art tutorial. I'm taking F11, putting a thin layer down, curing for 1 minute, and then I'm going to put a second layer down and cure for another minute. And after it's been fully cured, I'm applying a no-wipe top coat and curing for another minute. And I chose a no-wipe shiny top coat because I wanted the contrast between a kind of a matte design and a shiny background. So what I'm doing here is creating a snowflake with F11. So before I cure, I am going to sprinkle on some clear acrylic onto the nail and shake off the excess, and then cure for 30 to 60 seconds. This is my favorite part, brushing off the excess powder. And there you have a matte design on a shiny background. And you could do this with a whole bunch of snowflakes on the nail, or even a sweater design. I don't know why I didn't do sweater nails for this art tutorial. I didn't think of it until after I was done filming. So with this second snowflake, I'm actually going to put on a white glitter and kind of give it a sugaring look. And I actually like that look better than the matte subtleness of the acrylic. So you will see me going over that first snowflake again and just sort of redoing it, because I liked how this snowflake turned out. The white snowflake against the grain, that really popped, and I was feeling that more than the matte snowflake. Brushing the excess glitter away is so satisfying. I love how the design just comes to life when you brush all that excess away. And that's it. You could do any design. You can do the sweater nails look, you could do smaller snowflakes, little stars, anything you want with that technique. And these colors can be used in the fall or even in the winter with a winter design. Okay, and let's recap this whole collection. I know I kind of already did this before the little art tutorial, but I absolutely am in love with this collection. I love how these gel polishes apply. They're so rich and creamy and effortless. I can't stress that enough. You don't struggle using these gel polishes. So I do want to let you know that I do have a coupon code for Bemi that you can use at AR Nail Supply, and it is Carry 10. Now, you can't use it on new collections, so this collection you wouldn't be be able to use the coupon code for, but you can use it for any of the metal leaf gels or the previous collections that I've reviewed. And this coupon code is also good for the nail enthusiasts, so you can shop for art supplies using my code as well. So I want to thank Bemi and AR Nail Supply for supplying this code to me to give to you guys to help you out a little bit. So what do you think of this collection? I know this has been out for a few weeks already. Do you have this collection? Have you picked it up? If so, comment below and tell me what you think. I'd also like to know if you've ever tried the Bemi products, whether it's the creamy gel polishes or the metal leaf gels. Comment that down below as well. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I do want to let you know that this is probably going to be the only video in December. I have mentioned before that I am babysitting 3 days a week my twin grandsons, and that takes up a lot of time. Those are 3 full days, and then I have my clients on another 3 full days, and then Sunday's my only day, and that day is usually for house cleaning, laundry, grocery shopping, meal prep for the week, or I don't usually just sit and do nothing because I'm too busy. But I don't know if I'm going to be able to get another video up for you guys in December. I hope you understand. As well as being the Christmas season, I got an influx of new clients, which I'm so thankful for. So it's kind of making my plate extremely full right now. So if I don't get another video up before Christmas, I hope you all have a very Merry Christmas and that you stay warm and safe. And we will for sure see you in the new year, if not sooner. Thanks for watching, everyone.